got a full trailer there, and I got my hoard cleaned out. So I'll kind of keep all the cast and the engine block stuff separate, and the rims sort of together, and then all the light tin all sort of separated in here. And that way if they want me to drop the stuff separately, makes it easier. Okay, it's quite the little load I got. I got some electronics, some wire, some motors, batteries, copper, a bunch of aluminum, those radiators and that cast housing there. So, I think I'm good to go. So I got a lot of the tools sorted out from that auction. I've got everything packaged up into individual lots that I've advertised on eBay, and the eBay money's rolling in. Just got 45 bucks for all these garden tools and things, so I think that's pretty good. I mean, I only paid $15 for the whole pallet, so right on. I'll take that any day. Some of this stuff might be antique-ish, and some of it's just kind of junky, but someone wanted it, so they got it. Just out of curiosity, while I'm thinking of it, let's weigh this, because that will determine how much it cost me to ship it. Okay, it's under 10 pounds, so I think I'll be alright. I think I'll still make a nice tidy profit on that stuff. There's some of the other stuff. Little brake hone. That's an electric fence energizer. And these vintage tins and things need to be cleaned up before I advertise them. So that's what I'm up to. So for those of you that are wondering, for all that metal I took in, for all the goodies that you take inside, I ended up with $43. And for all the tin and iron, a grand total of $101.75. And on top of that, one nice thing about that scrapyard is they give you a free lunch. Philly cheesesteak. Free from the scrapyard. And I'm not going to complain about that. Well, thank you very much for watching. As always, feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about all that metal. Is that a good price or not? What's scrap going for in your area? And until next time, I'll see you then. Don't forget, Old Bonesy's watching.